Welcome. If you want to change notification settings in your Honor 7C, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, tap on the apps and notifications. Click on the notifications right here. And as you can see right now, we are able to adjust notifications for every app. And if you are pissed off from notifications from any app of the list, so for example you get tons of the notifications from Gmail, you can enter, and here you can permanently turn them off, but also you can just only turn off the sound of the notifications or this notification dots that pops on your screen. So there's a few things that we can customize, and also we can permanently turn off notifications from the lock screen. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.